All right, in this problem, we're given a right triangle with angle 40 degrees and adjacent side 8. And we're asked to find side B, which happens to be the opposite side of the angle 40, and side C, which is the hypotenuse. Also, this right here, the side 8, is the adjacent side. Okay, now we know that we have so for sine is opposite over hypotenuse, ka is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, if we wanted to find the side B, we want to use the angle 40 and the 8. So we need to have a trig identity that uses both the angle 40 and the 8, the side adjacent, and the side opposite, which happens to be tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we'll only have one unknown in this case. So if we write that tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, then we know that the tangent of 40 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is our B, over 8. Now it's important to include the degree symbol, because if you don't, with no degree symbol, then this is 40 radians, which is wrong. It's just wrong. So make sure you include the degrees. Now, in order to get B alone, we need to multiply both sides by 8. So we get 8 tan 40 degrees is equal to B. Okay? And this is our exact answer. 8 tan 40 degrees. To get the approximate answer, you would plug this into your calculator, knowing that side B should be smaller than the side adjacent. Because if this is 90 degrees, C has to be the longest side. And this angle right here is 90 minus 40, which is 50 degrees. So the B is the smallest side because it is across from the smallest angle. Okay, so B needs to be less than 8. Plugging this into your calculator in radian mode would give you an answer that is, first of all, not less than 8 and wrong. Okay, I'm not going to plug them into my calculator right now. Part C, in this case, part C, we need to use our known value and our hypotenuse, which is the unknown, and the 40 degrees. This allows us to use the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which happens to be cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cosine then of 40 degrees is the adjacent side 8 over the hypotenuse C. Now if I multiply both sides by C and divide both sides by cosine 40 degrees, I get C is equal to 8 divided by the cosine of 40 degrees. This is our exact answer. So here we write 8 over cosine of 40 degrees. Again, including the degree symbol or it's wrong. Now area is equal to, let's write up here, area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. Now the base and the height of a triangle are the two sides that are separated, or on a right triangle, are the two sides separated from a 90-degree angle. So in this case, B is our height and 8 is our base. But we know that B is 8 tangent 40. So we can come up here and we write 1/2 times our base 8 times our height, which is 8. Oh, before I said it was 8 over cosine 40. I mean it's 8 tan 40. So it's times 8 tan 40 degrees. Okay? And that means 2 goes into 8 4 times, and we have area is equal to 32 tan 40 degrees. And that's our exact answer, so we write it here. 32 times the tangent of 40 degrees. And that concludes this problem. Problem 2, quiz 2.